you will understand. Let it come upon you like the waves upon the sand. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew you never knew.
Have you ever heard the whale sighing to the moon, or asked the spouting humpback where he swims?
Can you sing without the voices of the caller? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Walk the sacred valley of our love, and smell the sweet lauana of the earth. Come see the view of mountains, seas and rivers, and for once never wonder